the best freelance websites and freelancing tips for beginners. In 2022, freelancing accounted for over 40% of the world workforce. It is no surprise that the number is still rising. Being a freelancer gives you complete control over your workload, projects, and clients. Companies are increasingly hiring freelancers to meet labor needs these days. As a result, there is more potential freelancing employment than ever before. Even if you've already built an online portfolio, if you have been looking for freelance tasks, you are probably aware of how difficult it can be. But don't worry, we'll show you the top 5 greatest freelance platforms in this video. Hey guys, this is Roladel Business, and on this channel we love talking about all things money as well as ways to make money online wisely and legitimately. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and make sure to turn notification on so you can get notified every time we upload new videos like this. Without taking much time, let us begin with top number 1, which is Roladel. Roladel is the marketplace that connects Roladians with businesses in need of services such as website design, content writing, voiceovers, social media management, and many more. It is a freelance platform that makes it easy for Roladians and business owners to communicate with one another. Please note that Roladians are referred to as sellers or freelancers on the website, while their services are referred to as stars or gigs, and business owners are referred to as buyers. Sellers can sign up for a free account by going to roladel.com, post their task, and establish their own prices instead of sending out bids. Meanwhile, customers, also known as buyers, can shop by browsing through several categories or search options. When a buyer buys a task, the system charges their account and puts the money on hold for them after deducting a commission fee. The system will send freelancers 80% of the offer amount. Withdrawing money can take up to 48 hours depending on each freelancer seller level. Payments can be made with a debit card, paper or wire transfer, among other payment methods. Roladel gives us a universe of potential sales. There are no hourly fees. Instead, a project-based pricing is determined by you with an SSL certificate that secures billing and personal information. Sellers can be assured of secure payment. In addition, customer service is available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Also, Roladel offers users the opportunity to make money by watching YouTube videos on the site. It may sound quite unbelievable, but it's true. We actually pay people in cash to watch YouTube videos from our website. Check the link below to get started. Number 2 is TopTal. TopTal is a freelance platform that links businesses with highly skilled industry specialists, from web developers and web designers to finance consultants and product managers. TopTal boasts a diverse choice for freelancers to become a freelancer. At TopTal, you must pass 5 steps of the screening procedure, starting with a comprehensive English evaluation and ending with a project review. Only the best 3% of applicants are selected for the platform. You have access to a variety of job postings from major customers and companies including Motorola and NBN. Once you've completed all of their procedures, failure to pass the test, on the other hand, will put your application on wait for several months on top. Drucker is a dedicated time tracking and invoicing solution offered by TopTal. Freelancer will be paid with the full fee they offer using the services, and payments will be made via Pioneer Paper or a direct local bank transfer. Number 3, Flex Jobs. This is a website that focuses on remote and flexible career opportunities such as freelancing, part-time, and full-time positions. There are many different types of employment ranging from education and training to journalism and writing. Flex Jobs verifies that every job posted on the site is genuine. It checks and screens all job postings without scams and imposters. This freelance platform, unlike other online job boards, does not have any adverts on its page. Users must join up for a subscription in order to locate a freelancing work. There are 4 different plans to choose from, starting at $6.95 per week. Every subscription includes limitless job postings, a personalized work portfolio, career guidance, and free skill testing. Users can use a prepaid card or a PayPal to pay for their subscription. If you are not pleased with the service after 30 days, you can request a full refund. Number 4, Simply Hired. Simply Hired is a free job board where employers can post job openings. It also compiles job postings from throughout the internet into a single page. The site provides a simple user design that makes browsing jobs by category easier. Freelance jobs abound in a variety of industries, including banking and marketing. Simply type in relevant terms into the search box to find a certain job. Filling out your city, state, or zip code can help you find more relevant results. Job researchers can also learn more about the company by visiting its corporate pages, which include a pay overview, a list of benefits given, and reviews submitted by genuine employees. Without creating an account, anyone can browse Simply Hired. Signing up for an account, on the other hand, will offer you access to a number of job-related resources such as salary calculator and a resume builder. Number 5, Design Hill. Design Hill is a creative marketplace where businesses can hire skilled designers and artists to create high-quality designs, logos, websites, and brochure are just few of the design jobs that are accessible. Sign up for an account will provide you access to a large number of freelance design tasks as well as design competitions. It is a fantastic opportunity to expand your portfolio and build client size. As a freelancer, you can use tools like Profit Calculator and a business calculator to create your own stores and start selling globally on this platform. Clients are only charged service fee by design. As a result, a freelancer will get a complete amount of money from design assessment, contest, or store sale into their design account. The website accepts PayPal and Payoneer as payment method. So guys, this concludes on our list of the 5 best freelance websites for finding work and earning money online in 2022. It does not have to be difficult to find a freelance job, but the majority of websites merely need you to create an account and a profile. However, before setting up an account, double check how each freelance website operates. Take into account the payment method, withdrawal method, and service fee. Again, remember that sometimes becoming a successful freelancer is just needed to know how to create a great offer and how to market it. And this is one of the things we talk about on this channel. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a like and let us know what you think in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time.